Hello everyone and welcome back to InfoShots. This is Navya and I hope you all are doing good and keeping safe in these times. So guys, the topic for today's video is COVID-19 in today's society. As you all know that COVID-19 is back again and it's hurting us really bad. So today we will be discussing about COVID-19 and everything that needs to be done and also about the vaccinations. So before getting into the discussion, my partner will take you through a PPT where he'll show you everything about COVID-19. So Mayank, over to you.
So now let's look into our today's topic. So to start with, I would like to speak some words of Dr. Tedros Adhanom, who WHO Director General. So he said, pandemic is not a word to use lightly or carelessly. It is a word that, if misused, can cause unreasonable fear or unjustified acceptance that the fight is over, leading to unnecessary suffering and death. So let's first understand what is COVID-19. So coronavirus disease, that is COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. The COVID-19 virus spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. So it's important that you also practice respiratory etiquette. Most people infected with COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. So, the best way to prevent and slow down transmission is to be well informed about the COVID 19 virus and the disease it causes and how it spreads. And that is our motive for today's video. So, how to prevent, or what are the preventive measures that we should practice? So, the first one is social distancing. Second is wear gloves. Third is face covers, that you should always wear face mask. And fourth is regular cleaning and disinfecting. So, you should always be practicing social distancing or staying away, the mantra that is stay 6 feet apart, and that really helps. So, what are the initial symptoms? So, the initial symptoms that you should look for or one should look for is fever, chills, cough, muscle ache or fatigue, loss of taste and smell. So there are two methods available for testing. These are the two main methods, that are diagnostic testing and antibody. So what is diagnostic testing? So diagnostic test can show if you have an active COVID-19 infection and need to take steps to quarantine or isolate yourself from others. Molecular or antigen test are types of diagnostic tests that can detect if you have an active COVID-19 infection. Samples for diagnostic tests are typically collected with a nasal or throat swab or saliva collected by spitting into a tube. The second one is antibody. So antibody test looks for antibodies in your immune system which are produced in response to SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. Antibody test should not be used to diagnose an active COVID-19 infection because antibodies can take several days or weeks to develop after you have an infection and may stay in your blood for several weeks or more after recovery. Samples for antibody test are typically blood from a finger stick or blood drawn by a doctor or medical personnel. So what are the next steps or what one should do if you test positive? So the first one is track your symptoms. What are your symptoms? It might be any symptom that we discussed before. Or this, and the second one, and the most important one, is to stay indoors at all cost and stay isolated so that you do not affect or do not infect other people. You should rest and be well hydrated and inform your doctor and consult with him for further steps to be taken. So, what are the vaccines available in India? There is a lot of word about vaccines. So, there are two vaccines that are available. One is Covaxin and the other is Covishield. So, Covaxin is manufactured by Bharat Biotech, while Covishield, that is AstraZeneca's vaccine, is manufactured by Serum Institute of India. So, You should, or we should all get vaccinated as soon as possible because we need to break the chain and we need to come out of this virus strong and better than before. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. So now we'll have a discussion and we'll try to understand some viewpoints from my fellow mate.
Now let's listen from Navya about what she has to say about the vaccine situation. So Navya, what are your thoughts?
To be honest, we are at a stage when the pandemic has been increasing exponentially, and the news about the third wave, I think that vaccine is the only way out of this. So that is what I feel about it.
Yeah, definitely. Vaccine will definitely reduce the impact of the third wave as well. So that is definitely true. And that's why the government has given emergency approval to even Sputnik now. So now all we have to see is how things turn out and how government handles the situation.
Definitely, I really pray for the good, and I believe that is why the Serum Institute of India has said that they will be increasing their production capacity, which will eventually solve the vaccine problem a little bit, I believe. And I believe there are some words of relief. What do you think about that?
Definitely, these are some words of relief in this unprecedented and difficult time. But what I have seen is that India is the largest manufacturer and producer of oxygen and vaccine. But these are the two major things that India is facing the shortage of. So, what I feel is that it's not just about the production capacity, but also we need to look at the bottlenecks in our supply chain, because that is recently what I have seen many problems that India is facing with.
Certainly, like this is, I believe this will eventually make the process very smooth and get all the things that we need. And I really hope that things get better and everyone gets vaccinated, because that is the only thing we can hope about. And as the situation gets worse, getting vaccinated is the only option left, because we don't have a lot of medicines, and in that case these all these injections are also not working very well. So getting vaccinated is the last resort. So we both request everyone to get vaccinated as soon as possible and take good care of themselves. What do you think,
Yeah,
Mike?
so yeah, all everything is said and it's front of everyone. So all I have to say is that these are some unprecedented and difficult times, but we'll surely come out of it stronger together. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel to show some love and support to so that we continue to work hard to get you the information from around the world.
Thank you.